Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Shenandoah, Pennsylvania? Meadow Container Incorporated is here to help. At Meadow Container Incorporated, we provide top-notch dumpster rental services to meet all your waste management needs. Whether renovating your home, working on a construction project, or cleaning up your community, we have the perfect dumpster for you. No matter the size or scope of your project, we have a solution that fits your needs. Our dedicated team of experts is committed to delivering exceptional customer service. From the moment you contact us, we'll guide you through the process, helping you select the right dumpster for your project and arranging convenient drop-off and pickup times. We understand that every project is unique. That's why we tailor our services to fit your needs, ensuring you have the right tools to do the job efficiently and effectively. Our dumpsters are not only durable and clean but also easy to use. With Meadow Container Incorporated, your waste disposal process will be smooth and hassle-free. When you're done, just give us a call. Our prompt pickup service ensures that your site stays tidy and organized, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.meadowcontainer.com Dumpster Rental Shenandoah, PA, or call us today at 570-926-7823. Meadow Container Incorporated, making waste management easy for you.